ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಂದಿನಿ ಕೆಫೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಬಂದು ಲೆಮನ್ ಡೇ ಪೊಟೆಟೊ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೆಮನ್ ಡೇ ಪೊಟೆಟೊ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಯಾ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ರೇಟ್. ಯಾ 80 rupees. Fine. So this is the lemon day potato twister. And this is lemon day snow ice gola. And here we have the price. And here we have the warm oven cafe. And so here is the menu price of this warm oven cafe. So just taste. Here we are having veg burgers, non-veg burgers, carty zones, and Slurpee shakes.
There's no preservatives, anything. And our pizza tastes are big on our own. Yeah. And pizza is getting done.
Yes.
So our pizza bases are big in-house. There's no preservatives. And the cheese used is original. It's not the McDonald's ones and the others. It's original. So here, the pricings are valuable. Just come by.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello guys, so we are students from C&IT department, CSSC section. Our stall name is Chicken Snack.
Yes.
As you can see the logo, we sell nachos, we sell tasty badam homemade milk, which has kesar and badam chunks.
Yes.
And we also sell pulpy grape juice,
Yes.
which is so nutritious and delicious and cold also.
Yes.
So it's a perfect break for the summer. Thank you guys.
So what's the starting price of this one?
So the nachos start at 70,
Yes.
and with the combo of Pepsi it will be 90, and both the tandoori sauce and mayo sauce combo with Pepsi will be 100, and the
Okay.
badam milk is 60, and the grape juice is 60.
Yes.
Both will be in the quantity of 300 ml.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. And here we have the 14th stall, PBA Chole Wala. Yes.
One is the pav bhaji and one is chole bhature.
Okay.
Pav bhaji is priced at 100
100.
and chole is priced at 120. 120
Yeah.
rupees.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. And here we have the next stall, 13th stall, roller ice cream.
It's a roller ice cream.
Yes.
It will be so tasty, and we'll have some chocolate fountain. We will find some bread and wafer.
Yes. So what's the starting price?
It's a starting price of 60 rupees. Only 60 rupees.
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you. Here is the roller ice cream. And here we see the chocolate fountain. Here we have the 12th stall. So let's ask them. ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ 100 rupees. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ
Chicken roll, paneer roll,
ಎಸ್
veg roll, cotton candy,
ಎಸ್
chicken tikka,
ಎಸ್
malai chicken, barbecue chicken, chicken kebab, chili chicken, chicken manchuri.
ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೆನು ಮೆನು ಎಸ್ and this is the menu we are having here. Yes, thank you. 12 stall. Come and try that. And here we have the 10th stall known as Sabi's Corner. So let's ask them what is there here.
Money and we just opened the stall. So we are from civil. So we are actually selling donuts. And we have three flavors.
Yes.
And we have popcorn.
Yeah, what's the starting price of this one?
This we have a flavor based separate. You can see the menu also.
Okay. And
Chocolate is 50.
yes.
Pineapple. Pineapple is 100 and butterscotch is 80.
And roll
And round
everything.
cake you have everything is 35.
Yeah.
Three popcorns you have two flavors for now. We have peri peri and salted.
Yeah. Thank you. And here we have the 9th stall called as Arvi's Chats. ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಕಡೆ.
ಬೇಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಫ್ಲೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ಇದೆ, ನಿಪ್ಪಟ್ಟು ಮಸಾಲ ಇದೆ, ಬನ್ನಿಪಟ್ ಇದೆ,
Okay.
ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ಚಾಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೇವ್ ಪೂರಿ ಇದೆ, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೋಟಿ ಮಸಾಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ
60 rupees. ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಐಟಮ್
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Here we have the 8th stall Kings of Momos. Price of this momos starting.
Okay, we have two varieties of momos, veg
Okay.
momos and non-veg and chicken obviously. So it's veg for 70 for 8 pieces and for chicken 80 rupees.
Okay, thank you.
And we have two kind of chutney also.
Yeah. Kings of Momos. And here we have the 7th stall known as BBA Treat Zone, and this is the menu.
Mohabbat ka shabat, buttermilk, we have barbecue paneer, we have barbecue pineapple,
Yes.
and we have paneer barbecue.
Yes. Fine. Thank you. And here we have the 6th stall known as Bengaluru Kulfi Corner. So what's the starting price? All.
The prices we have two different prices for 40 and 50. We
Yes.
have around 8 varieties
Okay.
and
Fine.
3 varieties in 40.
Yes. Thank you. And let's see the 5th stall what they have kept right now, known as Hoskete Biryani. Hey biryani.
ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತ
ಹಾ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 150 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
Yes.
ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಫ್ರೀ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Okay. ಹಾ.
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Yes.
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes.
ಏನಾದರೂ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay.
ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Fine. Thank you, Anna. Starting price of 150 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 5th stall. Hoskete Biryani. And this stall is not yet ready, I think. 4th stall. So this is the 3rd stall, Pani Puri, and the starting price is 40. Same. 3rd stall. Here we have the 2nd stall.
We have this Faluda Delight show
Okay.
in which we give Faluda and shakes.
Uh-huh.
So there are 3 types of faludas and 2 types of shakes.
Okay.
Kulfi, ice cream and rabdi. In
And
shakes
there are
come
flavors in ice cream faluda. There are flavors like mango, strawberry, chocolate, vanilla. That's it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Do visit us.
Yeah. Here we have the first stall of Chai India.
Guys, this is Syed from Chai India. We have Firoz with us.
Yes.
So we are especially, we are good in chai.
Yes.
We make masala chai and we have many variety of flavored chais also.
Okay.
With that, you can get
Yes.
our fresh baked biscuits. We have all these stuff like lollipops, and these are all very exclusive stuff.
Okay.
You don't get in normal markets. Other than that, we have coffee,
Yes.
and you will have to try our tea to know our taste basically.
Yes. Thank you.
Cali, sir.